question number 1. It says that calculate the gradient of AG. Okay, calculate the gradient of AG. So, reading from the statement, it says that AG is parallel to
BC.
CB or BC. Okay, so what does that mean? So it means that the gradient of AB of AG is equal to the gradient of BC. Okay, so that you need to close it somewhere. Okay, number 1, let's get the gradient of AG. So that is the gradient of AG. What is the value of y? You can just give me any. Minus 3, minus 7, divided by minus 4, minus 1. Then what is the answer? It's 2. Then we'll give you 2 marks for that. Okay? So note this, that these two gradients are the same. So what is the gradient of BC? The gradient of BC is 2. Why? Because of parallel. Okay. Then the first question, the second question says determine the equation of BC. We're going to get the equation of BC. Okay? Equation of BC. So now, what is the gradient of BC? 2. So, which one do you prefer? Y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so which one do we have the coordinate of B? Which coordinate are we going to use? C. So we're going to say y, which is equals to, okay, what is the gradient? 2. Then plus c. What are the coordinates that we are going to use? Negative 8. It's equals to 2 into negative 2. Then plus c. Yebo. Then what do? We take it to the other side. So what is the answer? Negative 4. That is C. So what is the equation? Y equals to 2x minus 4. There are 2 things that you need to note here. Number 1, how do I know that this equation is right? It's because of that point. What is that point? What is this value? The y-intercept. What is that value? It's negative 4. I'll all clear that. Why? Because that is the equation of a straight line. Okay? Then now, what is this guy f? What do we call f? The x-intercept. Okay, so what is the next question? Determine the coordinate of f. So what is that f? It's y. Is it y or x-intercept? That is x-intercept. Okay. That is x-intercept. So when we are dealing with x-intercept, what do we normally say? We let y is equal to 0. That is 0. It's equals to 2x minus 4. There we go. Then what do? We take the 4 to the other side. Are we happy then? Yes. Okay, I've taken 4 to the other side and write it in a good way. Then you divide by 2. Then the value of x is 2. It's 2. Okay, therefore you need to write it in terms of the coordinates. How are we going to write it? 2 and 0. Then we are done. Any question? Okay. Then 1.4. This is very, very important. 1.4. The question says, determine the value of m if a MCD is a parallelogram. Okay, some call it PAM. Okay, so now you need to understand what the characteristics of the parallelogram. The characteristics of the parallelogram is that this AC, because I heard them they're talking about A, M, C, D. And then they say that M is on BC. So M is somewhere here. So that is our M. It's somewhere. We don't even know where it is. Okay. So now the characteristics is that the midpoint of AC is equal to the midpoint of what? The midpoint of MD. Okay. What are we looking for? The coordinate of M. Therefore now, we have to get the midpoint of AC. Let's get the midpoint of AC. What are the midpoint of AC? I can see the midpoint of AC is negative half.
Yes.
So that is negative 2 plus 1 divided by 2. There we go. And then negative 8 plus 7 divided by 2. Then that is negative half. Then negative half. That is the characteristics. So which means that the midpoint of MG is half. Mid MG, which is x1 plus x2, then y1 plus y2, then divided by 2. So what is the midpoint? Negative 1 over 2, then negative 1 over 2. There we go. Therefore, what is x1? Negative 4 plus x divided by 2. Therefore, this is supposed to be negative 3 plus y divided by 2. So we equate negative 1 over 2 is equals to negative 4 plus x over 2. Then when we cross multiply,
Negative 2.
it's equals to, we're going to multiply by 2, therefore the 2 and the 2 and the 2 will cancel. When we take negative 4 to the other side, it becomes 3. So that is the value of x, all together. Then, and then the value of y, that is negative 1 over 2, it's equals to negative 3 plus y over 2. Then 2 and 2, we're going to cancel. Therefore, what is the value of y? The value of y is 2. Okay, then we come here and say the value of m. It's 2, is it 3 and 2? 3 and 2. Some of you are just saying, there's a lot of work, we did a lot of work. The most important thing is that do you know what we are currently doing? Then 1.5. What is 1.5 saying? What is 1.5 saying? Show that alpha is 48,37. How do we do that one? The angle of inclination and what else? Gradient and what else? Okay. Then now we are going to use the cosine rule. Remember the cosine rule? When you have 3 sides, what do we do? Can you get the angle when you have 3 sides? Yes. So we're going to use the cosine rule. So therefore, we can draw it. Okay. There we go. So now this is C, which is negative 8 and where am I writing my mind? Negative 2 and negative 8. I'm writing my mind. What is the value of F? 2 and 0. Then the value of D? Negative 4 and negative 3. Okay. Then this is your alpha. Okay. So now we're going to get the distance of all of them. All of them. That is 4 marks. And we're still going to use them in the next question. Okay, let's get the distance of GC. The distance of GC. Okay, there we go. The distance of GC. Y2 minus what? Can you give me the coordinate? The coordinate, are you sure? Is okay, x1 minus x2. Because if I don't write that, that will chow you. Okay, then y2. Okay. It's the same thing. Remember, my name is King Doable. So when you say King Doable, that's my name. When you say Doable King, am I still the same person? No. Huh? Yes, I'm still the same person. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, whether you can say x2, x1, it doesn't matter. Okay, what is your x1? It's negative 2 plus 4. Are we happy then? Are we happy then? Okay, that's square. Then plus negative 8 plus 3. There we go. Now I can tell that you came to school. Okay. Then what is the answer? 4 plus 20, 25. Okay, 25. So which means that the answer is root 29. There we go, one down. Therefore, we have, can we get DF? DF, I'm not going to repeat Y2 and what, I'm not going to repeat it. Okay. Okay, therefore, negative 4 minus 2, yes. Then minus 3 minus 0 squared. There we go. What is the answer? It's 36 plus 9. Then what is the answer?
3 square root 5.
Which is root 45.
Yeah.
Okay, we can write it as root 45. No problem at all. Root 45. Then what is the last one? FC. Somebody say hi, Suka. That's a lot of work that we're going to do. Okay. Then FC. Minus 2. Minus 2. There we go. Then minus 8. Minus 0. Somebody say minus 0. Okay. Minus 0 squared. Then what is the answer? 16 plus 64. Then what is the answer? Square root 80 or 84? 80. Someone say 80. 80. Not 80. 80. Okay. Right. Are we done? Okay. Then now we have 3 sides. We're going to use cosine. We have 3 sides. How do we use cosine rule? The cosine rule. The cosine rule. We're looking for this one. Remember the cosine rule. Remember the cosine rule. Okay, let's just write the cosine rule. The cosine rule says, can you just write the cosine rule? It's a squared. It's equals to
B
squared
plus C squared minus 2AB.
Okay, b squared plus
C squared
minus 2 bc cos a. Okay, there we go. That is the cosine rule. Okay. Then now, why are we using cosine rule? Because we have 3 sides. Okay. Because we've got 3 sides. Okay. Then now, I'm looking for this angle. Okay. So now I'm going to say cos C. Are we all together? Yes. It's equals to? Pardon? Okay, d squared. There we go. Then plus f squared. Yebo? Oh, no. Clap it for yourself. You can see this one. Okay, then minus. No, we are, the cost is already there. Okay, yeah. Is that fine? Can I divide it by 2 df? Are you happy now? Yes. Okay. What is d? No, we have it. We have it. It's there. It is very, very important so that we can just document it. This one is your F. This one is your C. That one is your D. Okay? What is this sign? It's CF. Yeah. Which is square root 80 square plus F. Can you see F is DC? Then what is that? Square root 29. Then minus C is DF. What is DF? Square root 45. Then divided by 2, multiplied by the D, root 80, then multiplied by root 29. Then remember that is our cos C. Okay, then you've got to come later. No, you don't think. Are you getting cos 64? Okay, so you just go to use a calculator and relaxly so. That would be 80, relaxly so, right? Okay, 80 plus 29 minus 45 divided by 2 times root 80 and 29. It's 0, we need everything, eh? 0, 6, 6, 4, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 8, 8. Okay, therefore how do we get the C then?
Shift.
Okay, shift. For the 3. Right. Believe me, bro. It's like she right. Are we all getting 40?
8,37.
48, 37. 37. Then we are done. We have proven it. Just joking. Then any question? 1.6. 1.6. Calculate the area. For area for what? G, F, C is the same one. So, what is the area? Area? It's 1/2. Yep.
It's FC times DC cos alpha.
It's what? FC. So I'm going to say FC, okay?
Times DC.
DC.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, sine what? Sine alpha.
Yes.
Are we all clear there? Yes, which is sine C. 2 sides and included angle. Remember, you can use that one of half base if you have a right angled triangle. We must emphasize right angled. 1/2. Then CF. Square root 80. Then DC.
Square root 29.
Square root 29. Then sine of
48,37.
48, 37. Then you will get the answer. So what I was trying to say, we are now in analytical geometry, but we are including the cosine rule and the sine and whatever. So don't say, I don't want to use this thing here. What is the answer?
15,91.
14? 18, 18, 0, 0, and then that's fine. You just leave it there. Then we are done. There will be 17 marks.